Welcome back to my channel. And I'm Dave Bornanz, and I'm the local Cleveland artist of 18 years. And I'm going to talk about art shows, art events, art festivals, art community events, and also art gallery events. And what I mean by that is when you're semi-established or a well-established artist and you have a number of clients, or you're just starting off, maybe you're just at the beginning stages of your art, and you're just starting off and you're thinking, man, I've got to engage with people and I have to go do art shows. Well, here's what you really have to consider. So you've designed 10, 15 different paintings or artwork, and you're ready to go and you're ready to showcase it. And then you schedule an art show. And this is where it gets tricky. These are the key elements of what you should be thinking about at the end of the show. Let's say you do a 6-hour show, and let's say there was a pretty large audience. So at the end of the day, you're closing out, you're wrapping up. What is it that you need to consider for all the rest of the shows you're going to do for the year? I do 15 to 20 some shows a year. So I have to consider every time I do a show, I've got to look at these key points. And number one, your booth setup, your table setup, your stand setup, your different side setups, and also, any kind of boards and stuff you're using. What is the actual setup? And is it really done well, like a gallery type setup? And can people actually see the artwork and truly understand it? Okay, so number two, what is the pricing models you're using? You have several different sizes. What is it that you're actually pricing the products out at? And is it comparable for the audience that's coming in? So you've got to balance that out with the pricing model. Number three, critical, absolutely critical piece of logic is lighting, lighting, lighting. I can't explain that and express that enough. Lighting is critical to make everything pop. So when you're doing those shows, everything has to be so lit up that people are just so attracted to your actual artwork and paintings that they got to come in and they got to talk to you. Okay, number four, are you able to communicate to the people that are engaging with you? And are they asking a lot of questions? If you have people that are visiting your site and your area and they're asking hundreds of questions, that's a good indication they have interest in what you do. So very important, very important. Number five, what was the size of the audience for the night or for the day event? Was it 100 people showed up? Was it 200 people showed up? 500 people showed up? 1,000 people? Was it 5,000 people? Record all that information. It's very important. Number six, very important. How well did you do? Did you sell one painting? Did you sell 5 paintings? Did you sell 7 or 8 paintings? At the end of the night, after you extract out the expenses, were you able to come out with profit at the end of the day? Number seven, the closing out. And did you get return buyers? Did you have any return customers? Every event I do, almost, it's like 90%, I always have return customers that say, I purchased a piece 4 months ago from you and I'm back to purchase again. Did you have any return customers? It's critical, absolutely critical. So you record this whole list of information at the end of the night after you close out everything. And that gives you the ability to prepare for the next show. So it's absolutely essential that you prepare for those next shows, because you could alter 100 different details and 100 different elements to be ready for the next show and improve on everything that you're doing. And did you make it easy for the customers to purchase anything from you? So it's absolutely essential that you have the right point of sale, POS, the right point of sale devices where it takes a simple tap and they can use their credit cards, they can use cash, they can use whatever they want. But they can pop out in just a couple minutes and you're done with the transaction. That's what people want. They want it simple. They want it easy. They want to be able to enjoy the artwork. They want to take it home. They want to embrace it. They want to do all kinds of stuff. So when you get ready for your next shows, you follow those 7 steps, those 7 critical steps, and you record all those you're going to have a fantastic next show and the next 10 shows. You just keep doing that process, and good luck with everybody.